Welcome back to Need to Know, where we dive deep into the art and science of bread making. If you're as passionate about baking as I am, you're in the right place. Today, we're stepping back in time to uncover the fascinating history of baked products. From the first flatbreads of ancient civilizations to the modern day loaves we love, bread has been at the heart of human culture for thousands of years. Ever wondered how baking evolved into the craft we cherish today? Let's find out. The dawn of baking, ancient beginnings. Baking has been around for so long that we don't even know the exact moment it started. But historians believe the first baked products were flat, unleavened breads made in the ancient Middle East, where cereal grains were first domesticated. Imagine our ancestors grinding barley or wheat, mixing it with water, and baking it on hot stones or in primitive clay ovens. Sounds simple, but this discovery changed the way humans consumed grains forever. Egypt, the birthplace of professional baking. While bread was made in most homes, it was the ancient Egyptians who took things to the next level. They turned baking into a specialized profession, establishing the first organized bakeries. How do we know this? Well, take a look at this fascinating painted panel from around 1200 BC, found in the tomb of Pharaoh Ramesses III. It shows Egyptian bakers crafting a variety of breads and cakes, some even shaped like sacred animals. And here's something amazing. The Egyptians also understood fermentation, meaning they were among the first to make fluffy, aerated bread. Bread in religion and culture. Bread was never just food, it carried deep religious and cultural significance. The Hebrews, for example, made a clear distinction between leavened and unleavened bread, a tradition that continues today during Passover. The Greeks worshipped Demeter, the goddess of grain and agriculture, while the Romans honored Ceres. Yes, that's where the word cereal comes from. In fact, the Romans were so obsessed with bread that it played a crucial role in politics. The phrase, bread and circuses, comes from their practice of keeping the masses happy by giving out free bread. And here's a fun fact. Some historians even believe that Rome expanded its empire to secure more wheat-growing lands. The Middle Ages and beyond. The rise of the baker. Fast forward to medieval Europe, and baking had become a well-established profession. Guilds were formed, much like today's trade unions, and strict rules were set for bread's weight and price. Did you know that in 1226, England introduced the assize of bread, a law controlling bread production for over 450 years? And just like today, white bread was seen as a luxury, while coarser, whole grain loaves were left for the peasants. But funny how things change, right? Nowadays, health experts recommend the same whole grain breads that were once considered low class. Bread. Today, a staple across the world. Bread has never lost its importance. Even today, we call our essential needs our daily bread, and the person who earns for the family, that's the breadwinner. Across cultures, breaking bread together is a sign of unity, whether at a family dinner or a religious ceremony. Bread truly remains the staff of life. So the next time you bite into a piece of warm, freshly baked bread, remember, you're tasting history. From ancient flatbreads to modern pastries, baking has shaped civilizations, cultures, and even economies. If you found this journey through time fascinating, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Need to Know, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more delicious knowledge. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite type of bread? See you next time.